Today we're diving into TextCortex, an AI writing assistant that promises to streamline your content creation process. But with so many tools out there, is it really worth your time and money? Let's find out. TextCortex aims to simplify writing by using AI to generate text based on your prompts. It's designed for a variety of users, from students to content marketers, and offers functionalities like paraphrasing, summarizing, and even generating ideas. When you first start using it, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a big plus if you're not tech-savvy. One standout feature is its ability to integrate with other tools, making it easier to incorporate AI writing into your existing workflow. However, I noticed some areas that could use more clarity. For instance, the specifics of how it learns from your writing style aren't very detailed. It's also not entirely clear what the limits are on the free tier versus the paid options. Overall, while the core functionality seems solid, some aspects feel a bit vague, leaving potential users wanting more information. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, TextCortex is incredibly easy to use, which is great for beginners. The AI-generated suggestions can save you a lot of time, especially if you're facing writer's block. However, there are some drawbacks. One major frustration is that the free version has limitations that may push serious users toward the paid plan faster than expected. Additionally, there's a lack of transparency regarding how the AI improves over time based on user interactions. It also might not suit those looking for highly specialized or technical writing. If you're a casual user or need quick content, it could work well for you, but professionals might find it lacking in depth. In conclusion, TextCortex has potential, especially for beginners and casual users who need quick assistance. However, if you're a professional writer or require more nuanced content, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, it's worth trying, but just keep your expectations in check.